Hello from Myrtle Beach. We are going to share with you all of the new exciting stuff coming to the Myrtle Beach area in 2023, and also even a couple of items coming in 2024. There is a lot of new development here, a lot of exciting things to come, so stay tuned for all of those details. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and in the surrounding area, and we welcome you to our channel. And if you're a return viewer, thanks so much for coming back. So we're going to start here first. We are on 20th Avenue South, right off of Kings Highway, also known as 17 Business. We're between the Angus Steakhouse and also the Whales. So this is going to be a brand new putt-putt, also known as miniature golf, and for our friends in Canada, mini putt. And there are a lot of construction going on already here. You can see the facades going up. You can see basically where some of the water features are going to be. Looks like maybe even a cave system. And this is going to be called Red Dragon Cove Adventure Golf. It's going to be Asian themed. And this is actually exciting because it is the first one in 13 years here in the Myrtle Beach area. The last one was, actually it's been 14 years now that we're into 2023, because the last one was in 2009, which is the Lost Mine Miniature Golf on Ocean Boulevard. And so, and you can see that in our Ocean Boulevard videos when we do that drive. We actually just had one come out a week ago, so you can go back and check that out if you want to see that one. If you're wondering what used to be here, this used to be the old K&W cafeteria, if you remember that. So we're going to go up here and walk around so we can show you more of this. You're going to get a little bit of road noise here because, as you know, Kings Highway, or Highway 17, is a busy highway. So they don't have any signs announcing what this is up yet, but I'm sure they will soon. And it is supposed to open in March of 2023, so just in time for the spring break season. I of course cannot guarantee those dates. All these dates are subject to change. And also I want to mention throughout this video, in case I forget to mention it later, if there is a website associated, this one does not have a website associated with it yet, but if there is one, I will link to it in the description below. That way you can go and check out artist rendering and get more details if you're interested in any of the things that we're going to show today for the new things coming in 2023 and 2024. And also let us know, are you excited about this mini golf? We tend to call it mini golf or putt-putt here. Are you excited about this? Is this something that you will definitely check out when you come here once it's open? Let us know in the comments below, and if you're enjoying this video, be sure to give us a like. Let's head on to our next destination. Next up is the Holiday Inn Club Vacations Oceanfront location. This will be opening in the spring of 2024, but I had to include it on the list because they are making some incredible progress on this. If you missed our first video about this, this is going to have a multi-level pool surrounded by hot tubs, a fire pit with a lounge area, and they'll have food and drinks at the pool bar. There will be indoor and outdoor dining options, and they're also going to have 152 villas. There'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom options. And the really big draw, as you can see, is this. I mean, you can't get a better view than this. We've always wondered what they were going to do with this property because it is such a great location. If you're not familiar with this location, you've got the Spring Pier right here, the Doubletree Hotel, and then on the other side, you've got Damon's, which I know a lot of you like. It's one of my parents' favorite places to eat here. They just love the view. You can't beat these views. And so this is the southmost end of the main part of Ocean Boulevard in Myrtle Beach. The next new thing on the list is actually the loss of a thing, sadly. The loss of the Splashes Waterpark, which was right across the street from Family Kingdom, right over there. And it closed down in 2020 and never did reopen. We never got it back. And now they are demolishing it. We are on Ocean Boulevard, so they're going to have a little bit of road noise behind us. And definitely stay tuned because we actually have 2 mega new entertainment complexes to announce. So this isn't our final stop, but as you can see, they are making quick work of taking down all of the water slides. They're already gone, and getting rid of the lighthouse and everything else here. So it's sad to see that go. We have not heard official announcement of what this will turn into yet, but we will definitely keep you posted. Be sure to subscribe if you want to find out about things like this as we get more information. We will definitely keep you in the loop. Now on to one of 2 very large entertainment complexes that's coming to the Myrtle Beach area. We're excited to bring these to you. First of all, there's a stork straight ahead, which is, you don't see those every day. They're fairly prehistoric looking. They're pretty interesting up close. But anyway, right over here, this patch of land that we're looking at, we believe will be the location for Surfworks of Myrtle Beach. It's going to be near the corner of 21st Avenue North and Grissom, but it's supposed to be right behind the Myrtle Beach Sports Center, which is right over here. This is the sports center we're at, and this is also right across the street from Broadway at the beach. That is actually Broadway right there. And so it's a great location, very central in Myrtle Beach. Surfworks is basically a man-made surf park, and the park will have a lagoon that will generate up to 1,000 waves per hour, and the waves will be between 2 and 6 feet in height. Development will also include an amphitheater that accommodates up to 15,000 people, a surf school, a restaurant, and a brewery. There are preliminary renderings of this that are on their website, so I will definitely put the link in the description below. Also, if you happen to know more about the location, let us know if we didn't get this quite right, but it's the closest thing from what they've announced I definitely think it's going to be. And this is a large piece of land, and it's a very, like I said, great location in central Myrtle Beach area. Surfworks of Myrtle Beach will be opening in spring of 2024 as of now, but they have had to resubmit plans, so there could be some delays to that date, so we'll keep you posted as we learn more. We're now at the Coastal Grand Mall, and if you don't know, we already have a tour of this mall. I will link it in the description below. But we wanted to come here. It's a thriving mall. It's a great place to visit while you're here at Myrtle Beach. But we had to come and share with you another exciting large complex that is coming to the Myrtle Beach area. It is Stars and Strikes Getaway-n-Play. It's going to be right here. You can see their signage right here at the mall. So it's between sort of the Ulta, that central area of the mall, if you're familiar with that, and also Dick's Sporting Goods is on the other side. So this is going to be a massive, over 52,000 square foot, basically entertainment complex. They're going to have all kinds of stuff for your entire family. They're going to have high-tech bowling. They're also going to have an arcade, a multi-story laser tag arena, and axe throwing. So lots of diverse activities, fun for the whole family. It is due to be completed by fall of 2023. They're obviously already making really good progress though, so I'm sure they will get it open sooner if they can. Again, we will keep you posted and let you know as things progress. Next up is the Surfside Beach Fishing Pier, and we also have another pier to talk about right after this one. The Surfside Beach Fishing Pier was destroyed in Hurricane Matthew, and it is being completely rebuilt. They're rebuilding it to be hurricane resistant, and as you can see, it's a pretty cool view. They've got some great new shops and restaurants coming in here. I know there's going to be an ice cream shop, a restaurant, which I assume is that larger building, and I think some type of maybe gift shop slash bait and tackle, but we'll find out more, and as always we will keep you informed. But let's go down and take a look at the actual pier itself. Here's a closer view of those retail areas and restaurant space, and there's that huge crane they've been using to work on it. So there is a public beach access, that's what we're on right now, that's right adjacent to the Surfside Beach Pier. And so here you get a really great view of what the pier is going to look like. You can tell they still have some work to do. This is scheduled to be completed by March of 2023, but to me personally it looks like it's going to take longer than that. I guess time will tell. Again, we'll keep you posted. I also wanted to mention another pier, the Cherry Grove Pier, which is the far end of North Myrtle Beach, which that's actually a different city than Myrtle Beach. So is Surfside for that matter. This is a different city. The Cherry Grove Pier was damaged. It took quite a bit of damage. It wasn't completely destroyed, but it was a lot of structural damage in Hurricane Ian this past fall. And so they are repairing that. It is partially open to the public now, but it will be fully open to the public, at least they're saying, May of 2023. So that's yet another thing to keep in mind. Look at this beautiful beach here at Surfside though. This is a gorgeous beach. Beautiful day today. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.